for this. Put myself out of mud till I make it happen. Now I'm on a whole nother level, gold status. Wearing so much, I make it look automatic. Moving outside the way, cause I'm really savage. I'm elevated, I'm never shaking. It's all up for grabs, and I'ma take it. Every move that I make, yes, groundbreaking. I'm born